Hey, all my beautiful people, what's going on? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett, guys. We are back for another How to Get Paid Work Online 7-hour work week video. It's a part of my How to Get Paid Work Online 7-hour work week YouTube video series. And as you guys can see, as always, I left out the O in video series. Anyway, guys, look, let's just dive right in, right? As you embark on your How to Get Paid Work Online 7-hour work week lifestyle, so to speak, let's remember to try to keep everything as simple and easy as we possibly can, right? So in addition to talking about the actual automated processes that we use when we talk about the How to Get Paid Work Online automated sales systems and sales funnels, at some point in time, you probably are going to want to get involved with video marketing. Okay. And so today, guys, we're going to be talking about how to make YouTube custom thumbnails. Okay. How to make custom thumbnails, custom YouTube thumbnail makers, and a custom YouTube actually thumbnail tutorial. Now, I can tell you as a side note right now, guys, you can actually get paid online working from home as an outsourcer, creating thumbnails for people in such places like Fiverr and SEO clerks, and there are any number of places you can actually go to have your YouTube thumbnails created. Now, you can also do them your own self on places like Canva, right? But again, let's talk about keeping everything that we do as simple and easy as we possibly can. And so to that end, guys, I want to talk about how to make YouTube custom thumbnails, because when you start talking about ultimately branding yourself and building your business through your particular brand, then being able to create custom thumbnails for your YouTube videos is just going to be something that can help expand your brand and your business. So, of course, guys, I am here today just to show you a couple of examples of what I've been able to do in terms of creating thumbnails, and I'm having so much fun doing it, guys. And, the thing about being in business for yourself, guys, is the level of creativity belongs to you, right? You guys always hear me talking about speaking your own success into existence. The sky is truly the limit. When you get to a level where you have activated the best version of yourself when it comes to getting paid, working online, and working from home, and as we move toward that actual real 7-hour work week, you're going to get really, really excited. So what's going to happen, guys? You're probably going to go over 7 hours because you're just going to immerse yourself and just have lots of fun doing this. Now, I'm going to show you a few examples of the thumbnails that I've created. And guys, when we talk about these thumbnails, let's talk about this, right? And what you can do when you're creating. Well, let's go back just a little, because these are just a few examples, guys. Okay, these are just a few examples of the thumbnails that I started to create, and I'm having a lot of fun doing this. And naturally, because I'm actually doing my new YouTube video series, the Work From Home Online Get Paid 7-Hour Work Week, naturally, guys, this just falls right into play, and it just works perfectly for me because I get to brand myself, and I also get to speak to my particular audience in terms of the people who are looking for ways to work from home online and get paid, and make that process as simple as they possibly can. So let's roll down a little bit. Let's talk about some of the other things you can do. And if you guys have been on my channel for a while, we've talked about me doing, and you guys have seen, using thumbnails and using the software that I'm about to introduce you to. Guys, not only can you create thumbnails, right? You can create follow-up emails. If you guys haven't seen that video where I created and I'm continuing to create the follow-up emails using the software that I'm about to show you to and using thumbnails, you got to see it. But you can also create envelopes, flyers, self-mailers, channel art, even capture pages, guys. And I'm going to show you an example of a capture page that I'm creating for my channel, for my newsletter, in this example. So you want to return the level of creativity to yourself at some point in time. And so when you're doing that, guys, you can use this thumbnail creator, you can use it to create your own capture pages, which I just did. And I literally did this in 5 minutes, right? And look at it, guys. I mean, really, when you talk about branding yourself, when you talk about getting exposure for yourself, stepping outside the status quo in terms of doing what everybody else is doing, you literally can speak your own success into existence, because this is the ultimate, this is an alternate avenue for being able to brand yourself right at the front door in terms of getting those eyeballs on your offers, okay? So this is just one example of what you can do in addition to the examples that we talked about before. And I'm just super pumped up and super excited about it. So what's the name of the software that I'm talking about, guys? It's called the Thumbnail Blaster. And I already linked up right here from this web page. And we're going to kick over there real quick. I'm going to show you guys what you can do with this software and why you should be excited about it if you are an aspiring video marketer. Okay, so here we are, guys. We are on the actual Thumbnail Blaster sales page. And if you guys are creators and if you want to get into hot new creative ways of creating your thumbnails really with just a few simple clicks, you can use this software to do it. There are already thousands of people using the software, guys. You guys know that it's created by two of my favorite internet marketers, Stoica and Vlad M. And guys, it's going on. These guys are constantly adding new features to the actual Thumbnail Blaster. And you guys just seen a few things of what you can do in terms of creating your own eye-popping thumbnails. Guys, it's an incredibly beautiful day here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland. It's never been a better time to be an entrepreneur. It's never been a better time, guys, because the level of creativity that's returned to you and speaking your own success into existence is as simple as speaking your own success into existence. And again, if you're a person who are a creator, then you're going to want to get your hands on tools and resources that can only make your brand, your marketing, the techniques, the tactics, and the strategies that you implement as you go out and work toward getting paid online with your 7-hour work week as simple and easy as you possibly can. So guys, if you click the link in the YouTube video description area, you guys will be redirected to this attention grabbing thumbnails, right? And you'll see what I'm talking about when we're talking about creating those thumbnails in 3 simple clicks. No more outsourcing on Fiverr. No more going to Canva trying to figure out everything. Although you can do that, we're talking about being able to do this in just a few simple steps. Thanks for being on the video, guys. I appreciate it so very, very much. I love you guys. Keep reaching for the stars and keep banging. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.